Today I have an announcement for you guys. I'm really excited about it for this channel. It's really awesome. Get ready for what is about to happen in this video. Like, I didn't even know where this video was gonna go, and all I can say is my mind is blown. Yeah, you just have to watch and see what is gonna happen, because today I am painting the 13B Turbo 2 block for my practice FC, or my party FC as I like to call it. I recently announced that I'm doing another build on this channel. I thought that the 20B was gonna end up being the first rotary that I completely rebuild on this channel with you guys, but it looks like it's gonna be the 13B Turbo 2 block for the party FC, which I'm excited about. I think that's good prep and warm up for the 20B anyway, and a good intro for you guys to rotary life. You're just gonna have to watch and see what happens and where this video goes. I did not know where it was gonna end up, and it kind of blew my mind a little bit, like, not gonna lie. I'm kind of really impressed with myself and feeling super artsy and creative AF right now. So enjoy this video. I hope you guys still love me, even though you might think I'm a little crazier than you thought. That's all I can say. I think it turned out really, really cool. So we'll see what you guys think. I picked up some paint for the block. For this car, I'm just gonna be using high temp paint, VHT primer white. I didn't even know they had high temp primer. And then what is a little iffy, if it's the best decision or not, but I'm gonna do it anyway, is that I'm going in with, bam! I'm going in with neon yellow on top of the white primer. And then I have this high temp clear that I'm gonna go over it once everything's on. I got a bunch of this like neon yellow color. I also think I have like hot pink in my shop somewhere. Alright, I got this all taped up. This is actually rotated around the wrong way. This should be on this side, the exhaust, but for painting it doesn't matter. I actually was here over the weekend and cleaned like the seals and everything. We're pretty much ready to spray it now. It's so tiny. I'm gonna spray it with the white first, the color, then the clear. Okay, so I was just trying to decide like what color I wanted to paint it, and this happened. You take the yellow, you spray it on one side, then you put the pink in the middle, and it like bleeds into the orange and just looks insane. So that's not the plan. I'm doing that, but nicer on that. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god. I want my life to look like this. We weren't trying to do that and it just happened, but now there's gonna be pressure. Because that just happened when I wasn't trying. But now I have to try. Oh my gosh. How did I not think of this before? If I pull this off, I will be very impressed with myself. Because I was just winging it when that happened. Wish me luck. I'm so scared. Oh my god, I don't know where to start. of just winging it, but honestly, I love it. I don't think I could have imagined a better paint job for the Party FC. I'm obsessed with it. So now that I'm done laying down the color, I'm just gonna hit it with the high temp clear gloss paint that I got, and then we're done. I know I'm not spraying this on with a gun, but this is the Party FC, and there can't be a party without glitter. So I'm gonna use, or try to use, some of the House of Color flake that I got for the bay. I'm putting that on the bay for the party car as well, but I'm just gonna, like, I don't know, sprinkle it on top of the wet clear coat and then clear coat over it to seal it and just see what happens. So doing that too, you know, why not? Whatever happens, happens. Like spray it on a lot? I don't know.
Just splash it on there.
I bless you.
There you go.
Maybe? It worked! Oh my gosh, wow! Now I gotta do the other side. Oh, that was a lot. A lot on this side. Can't do it! Is it going?
Need some sunglasses.
I can't tell if it's going. It's so pretty. There we go. There we go. Oh! 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 Yeah, myself.
Yeah, too much fun.
How to add sparkles to your block. Guys, listen up. The chicks will totally dig you after you do this. I think it looks amazing. I don't know. Maybe I'm just out there and on a lone island, only person thinking it looks awesome, but I honestly love it, and now I might try and find a powder coating place that can do that for the 20B. I'm stoked on how it turned out. Now I'm questioning though what to paint the color for the bay for that car. I was just gonna use the pink that I already have, but now that the engine block looks so cool and crazy, I'm really thinking maybe just do the bay neon yellow. I might have to get some neon yellow paint and paint that bay. The next thing on the agenda is to build that 13B. I thought the 20B would end up being the first complete rebuild that I did on this channel, but it looks like it's gonna end up being the Party FC 13B. It is a Turbo 2 block, so that is what my blue car came with, and it's the setup that I had before. But this setup is even crazier because I have NA rotors for higher compression and an RX-8 rotating assembly. This build is moving really fast. My goal is to get on track ASAP. Stay tuned for what's coming next.